Conference Corporation of the Seventh-day Adventists, reorganized in 1904, redefined who God is in 1980, will not return to the 1872 and 1889 fundamental principles of the original Seventh-day Adventists. For 45 years now, the Seventh-day Adventists had been taught and manipulated to believe that God is three persons, that God is a Trinity. And sadly, millions of SDAs still hold to this counterfeit religion. If you're a Seventh-day Adventist, and if you believe that the authority is in the Bible and not with the leadership of the General Conference, then you will find out, you will discover, and will not be surprised that the Bible does not teach what the General Conference today teaches. And so there is no hope in the mainstream body of those who call themselves Seventh-day Adventists. They took the name and occupy it and barricaded it until it becomes hardened Trinitarian. So this is the church that has been prophesied to change its religion, and God's people were deceived. The elect were deceived. But praise be to God our Father and His Son, there are few who have not bowed down to this modern day Baal, to this false God, Trinity. And I'm glad I'm one of those who found the truth, discovered the deception, and is exposing it today. Dear friends, the General Conference Corporation of the Seventh-day Adventist Church cannot save you and will not save you. They worship a false God. Your authority and my authority is the Bible and the Bible alone, which declares that there is only one God our Father, of whom are all things and we in Him, and one Lord Jesus Christ, by whom are all things and we by Him, the Father and the Son, Jehovah Emmanuel, God and the Lamb, the Father and His only begotten divine Son, Jesus Christ.